Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nadia and I do hair videos, DIYs and lifestyle. In today's video I'm going to talk about back to the basics, and we stopped off at conditioners. So today we're going to talk about deep conditioners, the importance, how to tell the difference, yeah, everything. So without further ado, let's get right in. So deep conditioning is simply adding moisture to your hair using a water-based conditioner. The main difference between a normal conditioner and a deep conditioner is simply that a deep conditioner has like oils, and the leave-in conditioner, the other conditioner, don't have. So when you put in a deep conditioner on your hair and you let it sit for some time, you give your hair some time to absorb all the moisture, all the oil, all that good stuff. Yeah, deep conditioning is simply just adding that moisture. Kinky hair tends to get dry really quick. You really need to put in that moisture so that your hair doesn't dry up. Yeah. Some of you may ask, how often? Well, you should deep condition your hair. If you're starting out, you should maybe do this twice a month. And once you get the flow of things and your hair starts behaving, then you can move to maybe once a month. A good deep conditioner has water as the first ingredient. When you're going out to the store to get yourself a deep conditioner, just ensure that the first ingredient is water. That way you'll not go wrong, because yeah, obviously I think it's self-explanatory. Just make sure that water is the first ingredient, yeah, and you'll have yourself a good deep conditioner. There are two types of deep conditioners. There's the store-bought and there's the homemade. I will have a tutorial on how I make mine very soon, and when I do that I will link it in the I section. Be sure to check that out. But anyway, you can buy a deep conditioner from the store. There are so many brands that are good. There's Mega Growth, there's Vertica, there's Aussie, there's Azayam, there's Mosara if you're Kenyan. Yeah, in short, there's so many good store-bought deep conditioners. So, and as I always say, you just have to study your hair so that you can really know what works with you, because I might be seated here recommending something and it doesn't really work out for you. All you have to do is simply just try out, be experimental. But I'm not saying you should be a product junkie, but just try out, see what works for you, and yeah, then you can pick up from there. The other type is the homemade. Most homemade usually have organic ingredients, and these are like things like avocado, bananas, mangoes, coconut milk, coconut cream, mayonnaise. Yeah, so these are a short list or summary of some of the organic ingredients that are used in the homemade deep conditioner. And once you make your own deep conditioner at home, just ensure that you add in the oil. That's the most vital part, because when you leave your hair to soak in, you really need that oil, because that's what like does the whole thing. Yeah, you can make your own. Your hair grows from the root, but the ends are usually the driest. You get your hair breaking at the end. You're attaining length at the root, but you're not retaining this length at the very end. This dries out and it breaks off, so that's why you don't really see any growth. The conditioning helps to moisturize this part, like the end, so that you cannot lose that hair, and eventually you will see growth. I feel like every natural that talks about the hair growth journey always incorporates deep conditioning as a very prime step to hair growth. So guys, that is it. Next time we will talk about moisturizing your hair, and that is the LOC method or the LCO method. Yeah, and we'll go into depth with these two. Yes, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.